What is up, guys? Welcome back to Jack Stan Builds. Welcome if you're new. Today we're working on an ATS-V sedan here with a little twin turbo V6, and we're gonna be putting some downpipes on this thing. This thing is gonna pick up some big power just with a tune and downpipes. We're gonna leave stock mufflers, and what we're hoping to do here is to hear the turbos more too. So basically, this is a stock ATS-V. Nothing really done to it. It's got the K&N air filters, but that's about it. No tune, no nothing right now. So what we're gonna do is start it up, let y'all hear what it sounds like stock, and do a couple revs, and then we're gonna start tearing into this thing. No turbo noise at all right now. First thing you're gonna do, get it jacked up, get the battery disconnected, crawl up under here with a 15mm socket, and loosen up these bracket bolts right here, these little nuts on each side of the muffler here. You can see those nuts. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up under here and disconnect the electrical valve connectors right here. All right, we're gonna pull this little crossbar off here. This will help the exhaust be able to lay down a little bit once we loosen up the cats. All right, so now we're gonna loosen up the exhaust here from the cats. This side is just these two studs. And then the other side is a clamp, just like so. Like that. All right, guys, now you're gonna pull the exhaust hangers off on each side. So, prying action. Let's go. It'll give you a little room for your exhaust to hang down. I'm gonna go off and loosen the other hangers on the back real quick, and then this whole exhaust should fall down quite a bit. Now you're gonna loosen up your hangers in the back, let them hang, and your exhaust should hang down. All right, we got our O2 sensors unplugged now. This is the downstream. We got the upstream unplugged. You have to get it from the engine bay. You reach around the back of the head and undo a clip, and you just unplug it just like this one. It's got a little clip that goes through it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbolt the catalytic converter here. There's 4 studs up there. You gotta get a wobble. There's I'll show you out here. There's one up there, one right next to it, and then there's 2 more on the bottom as well. So we're gonna get the wobble up in there and loosen up those studs.
5 hours later.
Once you get your cats out, well, actually, I'm sorry. Once you spend 5 hours fighting a broken stud and a strip nut, and you get your cats out, then you're gonna put your new gaskets here on both sides. And we're gonna put our new downpipes up here on the turbos. Boy, she sound mean, Tanner.
Got some good oil pressure.
Why the hell would that change? You done did the damn exhaust. You got the exhaust on your damn face. You look exhausted. It's It's chopping. Let me hear them turbos, what? Woo! Do it again. Do it again. Dang, son.
Sir.
Look at the turbos.
Twin turbo.
Hey, that's twin turbo Tanner right there. Woo! Got the something light.
You didn't hear it, so I ripped it.
Got the All right, folks, back here with Tanner. We're doing the tune-up 2 right now on the computer. I'm currently writing it into the laptop right now. So we're gonna see what this thing does. I'm writing the tune right now for the computer and the trans, for the engine and the trans, and about to see what this one does. And we have it. All right, Tanner, fire it up.
Done?
Yes, sir. All right. Let's get back to logging.
Sport mode.
Oh yeah. All right, let's go do some driving.
I don't want to open the windows.
Well, you need to floor it. That's what you need to do. Here we go. Do it. Yeah.
I wasn't looking at the boost.
I wasn't either. Golly. We're gonna do a dig right here by the cop right here. Yes,
I don't know if we
sir.
should.
We're gonna do a dig with the cop right there. Is that right?
No, sir.
Why not? Just a cop.
CDL.
Gonna take it real slow by the cop. Here we go. He's turning around. Do your 40 roll cut. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Got a little dig action. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed us modding Tanner's car up here. Got the turbo whistle and noises on it now and that little tune. She's a fast little animal. Any coyotes, you know, want to race, call out my boy Twin Turbo Tanner. Get in his DMs. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @JackStanBuilds. I'll check y'all later. Peace.